Are you tired of setting up the same ISUs for the same equipment packages your company sells over and over? Want to save time and ensure quality by having the ability to save ISU templates to apply during installations? Hi, I'm Anna from Resideo, and today I'd like to talk to you about creating templates in the Resideo Pro app that can be used to apply to multiple devices with one tap. You will need to be an owner or an admin to set up templates in the Resideo Pro app. You can give admin access to your lead technicians if desired via Pro Portal. To create a template, you must use the Resideo Pro app and connect to the device via Bluetooth. Select Templates in the dashboard. Choose Add New Template and follow the prompts in the app to complete the ISU configuration. Once you complete the ISUs, you can now save that configuration as a template. First, you will name your template. The app defaults a name for the template. Modify as needed. Add a description for the template if desired. Save and share the template. By doing so, now all of the employees within your company will have access to this template that they can now apply to devices. You can create up to 50 different templates with ISU settings to apply to thermostat installations. To apply a template through the Resideo Pro app, connect to the device via Bluetooth, then select Templates. Select the template you wish to apply. Review the summary screen if needed and apply the template. Your device is now configured with one tap. Modifications can be made to the ISUs after you apply the template if needed. If you want to review the templates you've created, you can do so by going to Tools and Navigation and selecting Templates. Here you can edit the name of the template, update the description, or delete a template that is no longer applicable to your organization. Thanks for watching this tech tip. If you found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment with your questions. For additional information, please visit Resideo Academy. Thanks for watching.